everyone, so today I'm going to be making something for those of you who like to eat your drinks, and that is Margarita Watermelon. Now there are two major claims to the invention of this famous drink. First being that it was invented in 1938 by Carlos Herrera at his Tijuana-based restaurant called Rancho La Gloria. He says he made the drink for an aspiring actress named Marjorie King, who was allergic to hard alcohol with the exception of tequila. He says he based the drink off the classic way of taking a tequila shot, using salt and lime juice. The other claim was made by Margarita Sames, who was a wealthy Dallas socialite, claiming that she made the drink for her guests in her Acapulco vacation home in 1948. However, this is contested in the book called The Complete Book of Spirits, which claims that Jose Cuervo's tagline when first imported to the United States in 1945 was Margarita, more than a girl's name, which would be 3 years before Margarita Sames's claim to it. Alright, let's cook. Okay, we're going to start out by rinsing the watermelon. Next, we're going to cut into the watermelon, but before we get into that, I'm going to give you a couple of tips to selecting the perfect watermelon. And the first one is when you pick it up, it should feel kind of heavy for its size. If it feels kind of heavy for its size, it probably means it's pretty ripe. Another indicator is look at where the coloring starts to get a little bit lighter. It's an indicator of where the watermelon was sitting when it was still on the vine. And you're looking for something that's a bit more of like a yellowish, creamy color. That's a good indicator. And last but not least, you're going to want to check for this sound when you knock on it. If it sounds hollow on the inside, it's a good indicator that it's pretty ripe. So next up, it's going to be cutting into it. And we're going to start out by cutting off the top and the bottom. I'm going to cut it down the middle. And down the middle one more time. Then next we're just going to be cutting in slices. Alright, so next we're going to pour all of our ingredients into the watermelon. Now this is a slightly scaled down version of it, but this is enough for about 10 pieces. I'm going to start out with a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 cup of tequila, and 1/3 cup of triple sec. And we're going to let this sit for an hour. Alright, so it's been an hour. I went ahead and added a little bit of lime zest, and I used some smoked sea salt. Any kind of coarse salt will do. That's going to be it. Thanks for watching.